Hello everyone, we're going to go over the review for the final exam this semester. Question number 1, you are asked if one card is drawn from a standard deck of 52 playing cards, what is the probability of drawing an ace? Aces are the ones with the letter A, and there are 4 of them in a standard deck of cards. There are 4 of them. So in this exercise is asking for what is the probability of drawing an ace. So therefore, you can choose any one of those 4s out of 52, and then you are to simplify this fraction to get 4 divided by 4 is 1, 52 divided by 4 is 13. So the right answer for the simplified fraction is 1 out of 13. You will be provided with a picture of the standard deck of cards. On the next one, determine whether the data set is a population of a sample. The age of every 4th person entering a department store. So you're choosing, every 4, you're choosing 1. So that will be a sample, because it's not it's not everybody that comes through the door. The next one, the age of each employee at a local grocery store. So each implies all of the employees at the local grocery store. So since it implies all of them, that will refer to a population. So number 2 is A, number 3 is B. Identify whether the statement describes inferential statistics or descriptive statistics. Here, you're provided with the average age of the students in a statistics class is 15 years old. So they're just providing you with data, with information describing. So that is descriptive statistics. So on number 5, the chances of winning the California lottery are 1 chance in 22 million. So it's making a prediction, and it's based on previous data, so it is B. The next one, determine whether the data are qualitative or quantitative. So qualitative, it describes or an identifier, and quantitative, it uses an amount. It can be measured. So the colors of automobiles on a used car lot. So if you were asked the colors, you can answer blue, red, white. So that is a quality, so it will be qualitative. The next one, the number of complaint letters received by the United States Postal Service in a given day. So the number is, you will answer 20, 30, 50, 100. So that is quantitative. It can be counted. So number 8. The distribution of blood types for 100 Americans is listed in the table. If one donor is selected at random, find the probability of selecting a person with blood type A or A minus. So it has an or, so we're adding the probability of being type A plus or A positive. There are 34 out of the 100 Americans, or implies addition. A negative, there are 6 out of the 100. So the denominator is the same. You keep the denominator, you add the numerator across, that's 40. And 40 divided by 100, that is 0.4, or that is the same thing as 40%. So as a decimal, it will be letter C. Number 8, letter C. Number 9, determine the number of outcomes in the event, then decide whether the event is a simple event or not, and explain your reasoning. So number 9, it will be determined by the number of outcomes. You roll a 6-sided die. Event B is rolling an even number. So if it is a 6-sided die, event B, even numbers, there are 2, 4, and 6. So there are 3 outcomes. So it says determine the number of outcomes. There are 3 outcomes. And it will not be a simple event because you have 3, so you have to decide between A and C. So it's not simple, not a simple event, because it is an event that consists of more than a single outcome. You have 3 outcomes here. If it was one outcome, then it would be a simple event, but this one is not a simple event. Try to get to number 10. How many license plates can be made consisting of 3 letters followed by 2 digits? So in the American alphabet, we have 26 letters. The digits, the 2 digits, they will go from 0 to 9. So I recommend that you draw a picture. It says 3 letters followed by 2 digits. So 3 letters, you have 26 to choose from for the first 3. And for the digits, you have 10. From 0 to 9, there are 10 choices, 10 choices. So basically here, it will be multiplying 26. So 26 raised to the 3rd power, multiplied by 10 square, or 10 raised to the 2nd power. So that is 1,757,600. So for question number 10, the answer is D. So you multiply all this out and you get answer D. And that's it for this video.